Hello.
Hi everybody.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
My name is Nouchee King, and this is my brother 2K on the guitar. And today we're going to be singing "Sweet Sweet Sound" by Sarah Reeves. Can I get the volume a little bit higher on this? Is that thanks? Good. Okay, ready?
Yeah, we don't have an awesome band or anything, but all right. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, ready?
I am an instrument of the living God, my life a melody to His name. More than the songs I sing, worship is everything. I live to glorify my King. Hear the song of my life. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. I raise this anthem high. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Through all the mire and clay, you're washing me with grace. You carry me, oh Lord, through it all. So I will testify, even in the fire, I live to praise my Savior. Hear the song of my life. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. I raise this anthem high. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. And all creation will sing hallelujah. Hear the song of my life, and let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound.